What's up YouTube? Today we are going to talk about Traxnyc getting robbed by one of his own people, not for his jewelry but for his contacts and customers. Let's go. If you didn't know already, Traxnyc got robbed. Robbed for his jewelry? No, probably even worse. For his contacts and part of his brand. One of his best employees planned to escape the business with all the contacts and experience he has won from working with Trax. Keep in mind, before Trax, he knew nothing about jewelry.
The only time I really knew anything about jewelry was from Uncut Gems, to be honest with you.
Now you might say, so what? He can do whatever he wants without any attachments. Sorry, but in the jewelry business that can be very complicated. To build a monopoly that big, it takes years of investing and losing. Building relationships with businesses, talented craftsmen and customers.
That's a 20-year fucking journey.
If Trax is robbed for some jewelry, it's a hit. But if he gets played by one of his own people, whom he has given a monopoly that took years to build, basically for free, it's a much bigger hit. Noah posted an audio clip of Trax. In this audio, Trax stated, "Remember my word, I will do anything in my power so you won't find success in this business." Think about it, it took 18 years of your life to come to the point where you can help other people and give them jobs. In this case, not just jobs, but a job in which your extra effort is rewarded with money. The next thing you know is, one of your own people takes off with the name he has built on your shoulders. It's pretty clear that Traxnyc has 100% the right to block this man's way in this business.
My word, no. I gotta be honest with you. Now, I promised you that I would do everything I could. I see you looking at me like I'm a piece of shit. Even though for years that you were working here, you were saying thank you, thank you, thank you. Isn't that correct?
I'm not here to snitch on people, you know, you said what you said, and I heard. So,
right. And you're using that as an excuse to me over.
I'm not trying to at all.
So you're gonna take my clients, take my IG that I've promoted for you, and take all of my connections and that I've introduced you in good faith?
I don't want to, I mean, see...
But you're gonna do all that anyway, right?
No.
You're gonna give up your IG?
To you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I've been promoting it. That you have your own Mr. Bankroll. Noah Trax is something that I've been promoting in good faith, on your word. Not on your turning heart, bro. You're ready to f me from the beginning, bro. You're just like everybody else saying, yeah, 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 I'm in it. I'm like, are you sure? Are you sure? And
I would have never even had this
I don't even know.
I would have never, ever had this thought if it wasn't for what you said.
Right. What did I say?
You know what you said.
I don't even know what I said.
Then.
I am in a situation where I have been asked for contact information. Contact for my lapidarist. This contact is a major key. The man can cut stones worth X amount out of rough stones. This specific contact you cannot find on the internet. It's a contact that demands prices a fraction of the cost other online stonecutters demand. His work is incredible. The stonecutter contact info is the key. In this business, gatekeeping is part of it. Most things are replaceable. Contacts and talents are not. I'm the jam expert and I hope you have a better understanding of the inner workings in the jewelry business. Like, share and subscribe if I was able to help you with this video. I'm out. Bye.